As you cycle up Mottarone from Ginesi, the view is stunning over Lake Maggiore. Now this morning is a little haze, summer heat, but it's beautiful. The road is nice and winding and wide and very quiet. And so when you get to this point, you see Mottarone back there. You see Lake Maggiore on this side, over there Lake Maggiore, and you see Lago.d'Orta on this other side. Pretty stunning. Maggiore on that side, Lago.d'Orta over this side. Mottarone on the other side, you can see Lake Orta on this side. Yeah, it's unfortunately very hazy, summer heat, but the view is still amazing. You're able to see two lakes on two sides, nice villages, and then up there the top of Mottarone, over there. Let's go. Today, the view over Lake Maggiore is fantastic. Isola Bella, very beautiful. And there, next to the end of our cycling tour, getting back to Lake Mergozzo. And this is the beautiful village of Isolino.